What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom and let's talk about the OnePlus 11R real competitor, which is the Realme GT Neo 5 and it's launching in India. Now in this video we'll be talking about in-depth specifications of this smartphone and how it will actually differ from the OnePlus 11R and its expected price and launch date in India. So before getting this video, if you are new here then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. So the very first thing, the Realme GT Neo 5 main differentiating factor is going to be the back LED ring light, which will be present in the smartphone next to its camera module. Now this is one of a kind which we'll be seeing in a Realme smartphone, and in fact in all other smartphones the back ring light, as it will also act as a notification light, and also just like the mini glyph interface which we have seen on the Nothing Phone 1. Now talking about its display, then it will be coming with a 6.74 inch of a Full HD Plus AMOLED panel, and indeed it will support high refresh rate of 144 Hz of high refresh rate, and also the in-display fingerprint scanner will be present in this smartphone. Now the Gorilla Glass protection is still not being specified which protection you will be getting in this smartphone, but what is being right now leaked is about its processor. And it's going to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is a similar one which we have seen on the OnePlus 11R. Now this does make sense as it's going to be at a similar price range, but the camera setup is also quite similar with a 50 megapixel of a triple camera setup, the 50 being the main sensor which will also support OIS, 8 megapixel of an ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. The front camera is a 16 megapixel selfie shooter in form of punctual selfie camera in the center of the smartphone, and the battery size is a decent one at 4600 mAh battery. But what's better is that the 4600 mAh battery will be charged by 240 watts of fast charging, which will be included in the box itself. And the other version of this phone will also be having a 5000 mAh battery, which will support 100 watts of fast charging or the 120 watts of fast charging. Now this comes down overall, the difference between the phones, which is the OnePlus 11R and the Realme GT Neo 5, is going to be one on the back as its notification LED, and the second one being the charging speeds. Apart from that, the software will also be having a bit tweaked one on the Realme, as it might support the ads also in the smartphone, but the OnePlus will not be supporting any kind of ads in the phone. Now, what do you think about the smartphone, considering the Realme GT Neo 5 is also expected to be launching for 40,000 rupees in India and the 38,000 rupees for the base variant of this phone, which is 8 plus 128. Now, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you actually feel about this phone? Are you confused between the Realme GT Neo 5 and the OnePlus 11R? Let me know your thoughts and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.